Welcome to Unboxing Solutions, where we unwrap more than packages, we unwrap possibility. Every tool you see is chosen with care, purpose, and real-life use in mind. If what you create deserves to be opened, explored, and put to work, this is that space.
Thank you so much for staying with me. It's now time for Unbox Solutions with me. Let's go. Don't forget to subscribe. So today, right, we are unboxing my Starlink, and I want to show you where I actually got my Starlink. Right. Oh, I'll show you after this. I'm sharing my screen already. Okay. Yes. Oh my gosh. And so the first book that the first box that I'm opening there is my book, Rebel Piglets. Rebel Piglets. That's that book that I'm opening. This one that I'm opening. I'm gonna show you some of the pictures in this book. See, there it is. So right, so that's the package. This is the package I opened, and look at that. Oh my gosh, I was so excited when I was opening this package. So excited. Oh my goodness. Yes, look at my book. And this is actually, as I was saying to you earlier, this is the first book I ever wrote, but I lost the book. I lost what I wrote, and I tried writing it again multiple times. Another time didn't happen, and then the third time, now I believe. I think I also wrote it in here. I also said it in here. So yeah, that's my picture of me in high school. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my word. Yeah. Wow. Look at that. I love this book. You've got to get a copy of my book, of this book. You should. So here's it where I said, the first time I wrote this story, I was still in primary school. I poured my heart into those pages, but the book was lost. I remember walking to school one morning, whispering a promise to myself that I would rewrite it one day, and here we are. Here we are. I wrote it, I published it, and I just unboxed it. Ah, God is good. God is good. Follow your dreams. Follow your dreams and do that thing you've been meaning to do. Don't wait for perfection. Don't wait for the right time. Just do it. 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 Nice. And now this is the Starlink box. Let me tell you something. This Starlinks is the most neatly, tightly packaged package I've ever opened. When I tell you, they do not play about sealing this package, okay? And this is the tip for today. When you're unboxing, get the right tools. I actually have the right tools to cut the package, to open the package, but I was using my cheese knife. That was so wrong. So unfair to the cheese knife. But yeah, it's one of my knives that come with the charcuterie board, or is charcuterie board. Yeah, the cheese knives. Okay. So that is not what you should do. Get the right thing, because I have the right package opener, box opener, to cut it properly. The right thing. It's shaped the right way to just push it through it and open it. So yeah, but this box, man, I'm telling you, it was sealed. It was protected. Okay. Untampered with. Like I'm telling you, you couldn't even play with this box. It was so properly sealed. I love that about Starlink. It was really, really very well packaged. You see the struggle I'm going through to open this package? That's what I'm talking about, because it was so well packaged. So it took me a while to open it, because even after I cut it, it's like glued. So I love that. That's what packaging should look like. Yeah. That's what packaging should look like. So what kind of internet do you use? I'm using my Starlink right now, and I've learned a couple of things, right? Um, you see, there's a part of it where they explain that you should not. Let me tell you. I first of all, I got the standard kit. When I bought the standard kit, to be honest with you, I thought that's all I wanted. I needed. I didn't think I needed anything else. And the standard, the standard kit has. Well, you'll see when I open what comes in, but that the what do you call that? The thing that you put that big thing that's in it, uh, the mount. All right, so there it is, the kit. To be honest with you, that mount, I thought the mount came in the kit. It does not come in the kit. This part that I'm holding right now, this is the part like you use for like the solar, like the thing you put on top. Right, this is the part you put on top of your roof. Now, I thought that came in the standard kit. It does not come in the standard kit. These things come in the standard kit. The reason I got that extra one is because there was some delay and mix up with the purchase. And so they offered me a gift, which is to choose a mount. And I chose that. No, I also realized I chose the wrong mount based on my roof. You have to really, I would recommend ask someone, like the person who's going to be setting it up for you, ask them like which one would be the best based on my roof or something, because the one I chose, it would have been better if I had. I'm going to show you some options when this is done. And this is not sponsored. This is just my unboxing, and I like to share with you what I'm using, what I do, and how they really work. And even now, my Starlink is not working as it's supposed to. It's like every 5 minutes it's restarting, and that's because of where I put it. And you're going to see at the end of this where I put it. Where I put it, there's a part of the house that I think is blocking it. I thought it was far away, so it wouldn't have affected it, but it did. You really have to put it I ripped my dress. You really have to put it somewhere where there is nothing blocking it. Nothing. So that's the plug. That's the plug for the adapter. Yeah. And then that plug is to connect the mount with the other connector. Yeah, these are the plugs and stuff. Yeah, but you really, really have to make sure, because I'm telling you, it's so annoying and frustrating. It's always, I can't even use, I'm not even using it to record right now because it's always refreshing and refreshing and refreshing, almost like it's trying to find the satellite each time. Yeah, because I think a part of the house, which I thought, a part of the roof, I never thought it would affect it because I thought it's so far away from it, but it does. It's affecting it. It's casting a shadow or something. It's blocking it, you know? So you may be thinking, oh, there's enough satellite on one end. No, you cannot. You have to make sure there's nothing at all. It's to block it. Absolutely nothing. Yeah, so these are it. And I'm going to show you when it's being put up. And I'm just waiting. Here we are outside. It was raining. Oh my gosh. We're outside my home. And there he is. Just see that part of the roof that I'm talking about? It's blocking it. I never thought it would, because I'm like, all this sky over here, it will reach it, but no, it's blocking it. That part of the roof is actually blocking it. So now I'm going to have to relocate it. Yeah, because it's like it's always trying to find the thing. So it's always resetting, like every 10 minutes, every 5 minutes, I would say it's resetting. It's annoying. It's just crazy. Yeah, so that's it. Now I want to share with you. This is the shop. This is the mount I have, this one right here, right? So the mount that comes with your Starlink is designed to support a ground level installation or a quick setup to test your internet connection. Mounts and cable routing accessories are designed for permanent installation in an elevated location like a roof, pole, or wall. And there's a video. And also what I learned after setting it up is when you install the app, there is you get to test it. There's a way for you to test the connection to make sure there are no obstacles, something, to test that nothing is blocking it. I didn't know that either until long after it was set up and I was inside trying it, because I didn't even know that the app would work without it being connected and plugged in and all of those things. So these were certain things I learned afterwards. So what I would recommend for someone putting it up is you can plug it in inside and test it. So I would recommend plugging it inside or outside or whatever. Plug it before you install it, before you nail it anywhere, before you put it in a fixed position. Hold it out in the air, test it, set it up and test it and make sure it's working properly before you actually do install it into a fixed position so that you can know where best to like put it or whatever. And then these are the other ones. I want to get one of the minis, but I want to make sure that the one I have actually really works, because if it's constantly restarting, that is something for me to think about. It is my hope that is the thing that's blocking it, that's causing it to constantly restart. So as you saw in my video, and I'll show you again. No, so, but these are the different types. And what I wished I had gotten like one of, not that, but there's one there that I wished I'd gotten, one that can be nailed in on the side and then turn it up. But I didn't understand at the time. And if I had a recommendation for the person selling Starlink, this is a conversation I would have with persons, like to say to them, this is the one right here. I think this is the one that would have been best for me. I'm not even sure if that's one, but yeah, anything that elevates it, because when it's so close to the one that I got, like I'm realizing, no, I didn't. Hold on. So what did they give me? If this is a part, I don't know. Is this a part of the kit? If this is a part of the kit, then I didn't get anything extra. I don't know. I guess I'll have to ask them. But this is the one I got. This one right here. I don't think this is the best one for like a rooftop. Maybe it isn't. As I'm reading now, it seems as if it was not. Well, I did not know that because I've never bought it before. So, I kind of like this too. But if it has to be nailed down, that's a lot of nailing too. So it's just a matter of understanding which one might be best for you. But I think for me, one of these would have been better for me. Yeah, one of them with the pole. Yeah, but that's the Starlink, and that's my Starlink. It works for sure. It's just I don't think I have set it up properly yet, so I don't know the power of it yet. For right now, it's pretty slow, very, very slow, extremely slow. I don't think it's supposed to be this slow. So I know I definitely have some work to do there. But I just want to show you. Ooh, pause. Right here, I want to show you something right there. You see that part of the roof that you're seeing? That is what I think is actually blocking it from the satellite. So when you're installing it, don't make the mistake I made. Nothing should be blocking. There should be nothing over it. It should be wide open space. I thought there was enough wide open space. Call me silly, call me whatever you will, but we were all there and it was installed. And it's funny because another guy was there and he kept saying, oh, that part of the roof you're seeing up here, up the top there, he kept saying, I think that's where you should put it. I think that's where you should put it. But none of us really knew. It was the first time we were all setting it up, and this was just how it turned out. Okay, so I don't feel any way. It's okay. We will deal with it. We'll reposition it, but I get to share it with you. So should you do this, you do it differently. Now, there is another book that I have that I was going to open it, but I'm going to leave that for another show because I already opened one of them here. So this has been Unbox Solutions with me, and I just want to say thank you so much for staying with me this far. It's been a pleasure. It is my hope that you'll get a copy of my book, The Rebel Piglet, and if you do, I'd love to see a video or a photo of you unboxing it. It was just one of my proudest moments, and I hope you're having moments like these, or even better moments. And if you like, please share them with me. What are the things what are you getting up to? What solutions are you finding and applying to your life that I could check out? Or do you have solutions that you create, that you offer? Do you set products that are daily solutions, that offer daily solutions for persons? Let me know. What are some of the things I'm looking for? I don't even know. I'm not sure. But if you have products that offer daily solutions to persons, share with me. Who knows? I might be interested. So go ahead and share it with me. But thank you so much for staying with me so far. This has been Unbox Solutions with me. You're watching Refresh, Relax, Renew, Season 3, Episode 32. And I just want to say thank you so much for joining me and for being here with me. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and let's move on to our next segment. But before we go, here's a message from one of my partners.
Strong organizations are built on more than strategy, they're built on people. At Human Impact Development Consulting, we help organizations strengthen leadership and support staff well-being. We put clear people systems in place that actually work. From HR advisory and policy development to leadership support, we cover it all. Our approach is practical, ethical, and people-centered. If ready for clarity, confidence, and sustainable impact, visit sandrinedunkley.com. Human Impact Development Consulting, where people systems meet performance.
I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Raquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I am so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Raquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.